everybody, welcome to our factory. Today I will show you exactly how bread is made, step by step. Don't get a simple video like this.
Our automated systems precisely measure every ingredient, ensuring consistent dough quality and perfect texture.
Precision is paramount. By meticulously controlling temperature and hydration, we ensure every batch meets our exacting standards for consistent dough quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
This pallet here is clear for the delivery manifest.
All right, let's move it out.
And that's how bread is made. It's input quick price from percentage, from start to finish.
Make sure the labels match the manifest.
Already checked. Moving to Bay 3.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
Is that the last pallet for truck 12?
Yes, just waiting on the manifest now.
Easy now, bring it back another foot. Looks good, lock it down.
And that's how bread is made, from start to finish.